Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more tips on making money online. Today, we're going to talk about one of the most popular freelancing platforms out there, Fiverr. Whether you're looking to make some extra cash or build a full-time career, Fiverr offers a great opportunity. Let's dive in. Fiverr is an online marketplace where freelancers can offer services, known as gigs, to clients worldwide. It's unique because it originally started with gigs priced at $5, but now, you can set your own rates and even offer premium packages. From graphic design and writing to voiceovers and digital marketing, there's a wide range of services you can offer on Fiverr. The first step to making money on Fiverr is to identify what skills you can offer. Think about your hobbies, your professional experience, and any talents you have. Are you good at graphic design, writing, programming, or digital marketing? Maybe you have a knack for voice acting or creating social media content. Make a list of your skills and think about what services you can provide. Fiverr categories range from logo design to voiceover work to social media management, so there's something for everyone. Next, you'll need to create a Fiverr account. It's a simple process. Just go to fiverr.com, click on Join, and sign up using your email, Facebook, or Google account. Once you're in, you'll need to complete your profile. Your profile is your chance to make a great first impression. Use a professional photo of yourself, write a compelling bio that highlights your skills and experience, and be sure to fill out all the sections, including your education and certifications if you have any. Your profile should be 100% complete before you start offering gigs. This increases your credibility and makes you more attractive to potential clients. Now, let's create your first gig. Click on Create a new gig and start by giving it a catchy title. Your title should clearly describe what you're offering. Choose the category and subcategory that best fits your service, and select the search tags that will help clients find your gig. Then, describe your service in detail. Be clear about what you're offering and what the client can expect. Use bullet points for easy readability. Next, set your pricing. Fiverr allows you to create 3 packages: Basic, Standard, and Premium. Think about the value you can provide at each level and price them accordingly. Don't undersell yourself, but be competitive. For example, if you're offering logo design, your basic package could include one simple logo design. Your standard package could include 2 logo concepts with revisions, and your premium package could include 3 logo concepts with unlimited revisions and additional branding materials. Visuals are crucial on Fiverr. Upload high-quality images and, if possible, create a video explaining your service. Gigs with videos are more likely to be viewed and purchased. Show examples of your work and be sure your visuals are clear and professional. A well-made video can significantly increase your chances of getting orders because it helps potential clients understand what you offer and builds trust. To get found on Fiverr, you need to optimize your gig for SEO. Use relevant keywords in your gig title, description, and tags. Think about what potential clients might search for and include those terms naturally in your gig details. For example, if you're offering logo design services, use keywords like professional logo design, custom logos, and brand identity. This will help your gig rank higher in Fiverr's search results. Once your gig is live, you need to promote it. Share it on your social media channels, join relevant groups and forums, and consider using Fiverr's promotional tools to boost your gig's visibility. The more exposure your gig gets, the more likely you are to get orders. You can also write blog posts or create YouTube videos about your services and link to your Fiverr gigs. Networking with other freelancers and participating in online communities can also help drive traffic to your gigs. When you start getting orders, it's important to manage them effectively. Communicate clearly with your clients, set realistic deadlines, and deliver high-quality work. Happy clients are more likely to leave positive reviews and order from you again. Use Fiverr's built-in tools to keep track of your orders and make sure you're meeting deadlines. If you run into any issues, communicate with your client right away to find a solution. Here are a few extra tips for success on Fiverr. Always be professional and courteous. Good communication is key. Continuously update and improve your gigs based on feedback. Stay active on the platform to increase your chances of being featured. Be patient and persistent. Building a successful freelancing career takes time. Respond to messages promptly. Fiverr rewards active sellers who respond quickly. Keep learning and expanding your skill set to offer more valuable services. Use Fiverr's analytics to track your performance and make improvements. And that's it. With these steps, you're well on your way to making money on Fiverr. Remember, the key is to offer value, be professional, and stay dedicated. If you have any questions or need further tips, leave a comment below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more content. Thanks for watching, and happy freelancing.